Vice President Sara Duterte says she recently discussed politics and the recent flood control mess with her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte. In an ambush interview on Tuesday, September 16, Vice President Duterte was asked about the state of her father. The elder Duterte is currently detained at the International Criminal Court headquarters at The Hague, the Netherlands. When asked to clarify further what they discussed, Vice President Duterte says discussing such matters publicly is not allowed.
Tumawag siya last Friday. Monday ngayon. Hindi siya tumawag kahapon. Last Friday siya tumawag. It's okay. Usap kami about politics. Usap kami about flood control. Usap kami about love life niya. Kasi bawal ako mag-discuss ng kung anong pinag-uusapan din sa loob din. So hindi ko masabi kung ano sinasabi niya.
The former president's legal counsel earlier told the ICC that he is not fit to stand trial due to cognitive deficiencies. Duterte's lawyer Nicholas Kaufman said he is unable to recall events, places, and even members of his close family and defense team. The prosecution then urged the ICC to have medical experts review the defense's claims. When pressed about the former president's status, Vice President Duterte says there will be hearings about her father's competencies and ability to stand trial.
Sa tingin ko naman, merong mangyayaring hearing sa competency. So, antayin na lang natin yung mga experts. Both sides, sa ICC, sa prosecution, sa defense side. And I'm sure maglalabasan yung mga experts para sabihin kung ano yung problema. Ay, naku, hindi ako expert sa kung ano dapat ang kapasidad ng isang witness or ng isang accused.